actually, since last year, we just focus on the last game against Petrogas. It's just for more make of confidence for the next game. But actually, it's going, or other side, like I more other body problem. So we couldn't use Lanka. So we have to using Tamil Victoria is as our project. In this we got EOG. Yeah, maybe we have to, we can make it more another choice for the next Petrogas.
Thank you, Coach. And for IT, during the last set, ikaw yung nagtulong sa para makahabol yung lead ng Capital One. Ano lang siguro yung tumatakbo sa isip mo na habang nakabol na Philippine?
Siguro, kasi nagagalit na si Coach Takoy. Siguro masyado akong tense ng mga first two sets. Pero, ayun, yung teammates ko, yung coaches ko, kinakalma nila ako na gawin ko lang kung ano yung laro ko, gano'n. So, ayun, siguro dahil talaga sa kanila, kaya mas naging compose ako ng last set.
Thank you, Ivy. And for Gams, you had 17 points against Capital One. Medyo visibly emotional during the prayer of the game at 30. What was running through your mind na lang din siguro?
Joke lang po yan. Gaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, kung ano lang yung binigay sa akin ni Coach Saka, yun naman yung gagawin ko. At buo naman din yung iba. And, ayun, nagawa ko naman yung role na binigay.
Thank you. Floor is open for questions.
Coach, down by 9 points in the third free, then your team pulled almost 10-0 run. What were your instructions for them to bounce back from that early setback from the third?
Actually, today's game, we already prepare like our quality only. So that's why I know we will win, and then I'm not gonna afraid to lose against Capital One. If it's I'm kind of afraid, maybe I'm acting is kind of changing, but I'm trying to calm because I already trust the player.
And for Camille, one of your best performance so far is one of your best performance this conference. Ano na lang thoughts mo since nakuha mo yung footing mo this game then nag-contribute ka na later sa game?
Well, actually, nag-set ako naman sa sarili ko na kailangan every game. Nakakontribute ako sa team para mabigyan namin ng magandang laban po yung mga kalaban.
For the players and coach, that was a big comeback in the final set. So, I guess what does that say about the character of the team? Fighting until the end until you get the win.
Siguro yung pinakita namin nung last set is parang more on puso. Kasi syempre dumadating talaga sa time ng isang team na nandun na sila sa pinaka-down point nila. So parang nung time na feel namin na ang laki na masyado ng lamang, kumapit ulit kami sa isa't isa and sabi namin mag-review lang tayo and magkaroon tayo ng puso sa laro namin.
Yung third set na yun, dun mo masasabi na lahat ng team lumalaban, hindi basta-basta lahat ng mga team. Kaya nga sinabi na kaya kami nakahabol, parang mas tinapangan pa namin.
This team is still young, like everyone's still young, except John. This team need to someone reach the team inside the court. So if it's the IB couldn't get the point, Camille Victoria still get the point, but actually it's not hard hitting, always hitting. So as a team, the mood is not going to win. So actually the sad set rest of the player is Lia Pirata. She made it the 9-point or 10-point break. That's only one reason why able to win against Capital One.
For Ivy, one game rule, but how would you assess your first conference move next, despite the challenges and missing games?
Syempre mahirap siya dahil nga iba yung culture, dahil iba yung sistema na meron sa NextEd, ganun. Pero yun nga, lagi ko lang sasabihin na simula nung nagpunta ka sa NextEd, hindi naman nila ako masyado pinahirapan na parang winelcome lang nila ako. Kaya parang yung time na kakadating ko lang, feeling ko, tagal-tagal ko na sa NextEd, gano'n. And syempre yung tulong ng coaches and teammates ko talaga.
And for Coach, how would you describe Ivy's first conference with NextEd?
I mean, not only Ivy, everyone, especially Philippine young volleyball player, they try to find the way going to more high-level volleyball. But even their body or how they're thinking about the volleyball is still young. So we have to always remind to them, like, you guys have a lot of potential, and just trust yourself and how much you have potential. Only that's what I'm always saying to the player, and then also I'm just still believing. They say not ID, also coming to Victoria also. I think the next player, as a team also, we have a lot of good player we can trust, and then as a coach, we have to make it greater player for the team.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Ivy. Thank you, guys.